In this video, we are going to create a webhook by using Shopify Admin GraphQL API. So I will go to the Admin GraphQL API documentation and I go down to the webhooks and click on mutation. And from here, we will click on webhook subscription create function. And from here, we will select create a webhook subscription for app uninstall. So we are going to copy this mutation and this input variable. So let's copy this and go to our store, and in the Shopify GraphQL app you will paste this query and then you will copy this input variable and paste that in the variable section. Okay, so this is the topic app uninstall. We are going to find the topic to whenever the order is created, then we will listen this webhook over the address. We will provide the address. So let's make the address in NetN and click on the plus sign, and we will have this. We'll find webhook on a webhook call. So whenever this webhook is called, we will get the information over here, and we will choose the post method and the production URL. We will copy this and we'll save this and active this workflow. And whenever someone send data on this endpoint, we will be notified. So let me just replace this over here. Let me go back and copy the URL again. Copy that URL, and now let's replace this. Okay, now I have replaced the URI. Now we need to change the topic. Okay, before changing the topic, we will test out our webhook first. So I will make a new request at our webhook, and that will be post request, and in the body we will send some JSON. And for example, we send ID 123 and name Ahmed, and let's try to send this post request, and it says not found, is not registered. Click on the execute workflow. Okay, let me go back over here and execute the workflow. Okay, now it is waiting for the execution, and let's go back again and send the request again, and now workflow is started. And if I check N8N, we receive the item, and if I click on that, and you will see we receive the data body in the body ID and the data over here. So we are ready to receive the information. Now webhook topics. So here are some topics. So we will select order create, and whenever order is created, order, we'll type order create, this one. So whenever the order is created, we will be receiving data on this endpoint. So let's register this webhook and run this query, and now our webhook is registered, and we will be getting the information on this address. So if I go back here in the orders and create a new order. Let me create a new order. I will select any product. I will add that product. Okay, let me select another one. This might be out of stock. Okay, so I added these products into the cart, and now I will select customer, and the customer is Fiaz Ahmed, and if I go back and collect the payment, mark as a paid, and create this order. Okay, our order is created, and let's go to the N8N and let's see if we received the information. If I go here in the execution, okay, and you can see we received the data successfully. And if I click on this and double click, and here is the output. This is the body, this is the order ID, and all the information about the Shopify order, and you can check that every information, what we purchased, what is the total cost, and everything you received over here. And you can use this information, you can send this information to somewhere else if you like, and this is how you can register the webhook in Shopify and listen to the events. I hope this video makes sense to you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.